When we conduct an acid-base titration with a pH meter, we need to record a lot more data than we conduct the same titration with an acid-base indicator. We keep adding the standard solution to the beaker which holds the unknown solution. At each step, we need to record both the volume of the standard solution and the pH of the mixture of the standard solution and the unknown solution. We can use a beaker to hold the unknown. We can also use an Erlenmeyer flask to hold the solution. With a lot more data, we can also obtain a lot more information about the unknown as well. This is good. But remember, when we conduct an acid-base titration with an acid-base indicator, we only need to record the volume at the endpoint. Hopefully, the endpoint is the same as the equivalent point. We can only calculate the molarity of the unknown solution with an acid-base indicator titration.